Are you tired of scrubbing by hand and want to get the job done faster? Well, I have a product for you. Stay tuned to find out more. This is what the unit looks like. It's nice and simple. This unit here is very easy to use. To turn this on, hold the power button for 2 seconds. This unit has 3 speed settings. It's on 1 right now. To change the speed setting, press the power button. Speed 2 and 3. This right here is a power status of the battery. This is at 100% battery power. And to turn this unit off, just hold the power button. And that's how you use it. Super easy to use. And to change the angle of this device, hold these 2 side buttons and rotate. And now here we have is a different angle. Switching the brush heads is really easy. Press this lock button and then insert your head. Rotate clockwise until it clicks. Now it's in. And to remove, press this lock button again and rotate counterclockwise. Very simple. Voila. And if you want to extend the handle, it's easy as well. Just press the silver button. Now we will add the extension rod and just insert this in and press this button while pushing in and put this back to the unit. And if you feel you need longer, just repeat the process and add the other extension rod together. Super simple. Now we have a super long extension. This extension rod feels stiff and sturdy. It does not bend at all. It's nice that this unit has many different pads and options available for many different purposes. I love this thing. It gets the job done fast and quick.